Oke teman-teman Karodi Lovers, di video kali ini tentu saja gue bakalan ngerekamin hasil suara yang ada di mobil Cherry 38 yang satu ini ya teman-teman. Nah, untuk metodenya seperti biasa, seperti yang Kotedi di video sebelumnya sudah katakan, bahwasanya kita tidak menambahkan external source apapun di mobil ini kecuali head unit OEM-nya ya teman-teman. Jadi tentu saja gue bakal play Bluetooth melalui device gue ke head unit aslinya nih teman-teman. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama teman-teman, langsung aja gue rekamin hasil suaranya. Teman-teman jangan lupa gunakan headset ya.
My name is Luca. I live on the second floor. I live upstairs from you. Yes, I think you've seen me before. If you hear something late at night, some kind of trouble, some kind of fight, just don't ask me what it was. Just don't ask me what it was. Just don't ask me what it was. I think it's 'cause I'm clumsy. I try not to talk too loud. Maybe it's because I'm crazy. I try not to act too proud. And they only hit until you cry. After that, you don't ask why. You just don't argue anymore. Just don't argue anymore. Just don't argue anymore.
Goodbye, my love， 我的爱人，再见。Goodbye, my love， 相见不知哪一天。Goodbye, my love， 我的爱人，再见。Goodbye, my love， 相见不知哪一天。我把一切给了你，希望你要珍惜，不要辜负我的真情。Goodbye, my love， 我的爱人，再见。Goodbye, my love， 从此和你分离，我会永远永远爱你在心里，希望你不要把我忘记。我永远怀念你温柔的情怀里，永恒的心，怀念你甜蜜的吻，怀念你那醉人的歌声，怎能忘记这段情？
you by my side. But then I spent so many nights just thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along, so now you're back from outer space. I just walk in to find a he with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed your stupid luck. I should have made you leave a key. If I would know for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? And I'll survive, I will survive. Always as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got all my life to live and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive.
She's got her ticket. I think she gonna use it. I think she going to fly away. No one should try and stop her, persuade her with their power. She says that her mind